mathematics class. In the previous class we have discussed about successor, that means after number, predecessor, that means before number, and also we formed largest 4-digit number as well as smallest 4-digit number. There are some rules, we followed that. I hope everyone practiced very well. Now children, let me ask you a few questions. How many eyes do we have, children? We have 2 eyes. Very good. How many hands do we have? 2. Okay children. Now see children, I want to make a pair, like pair means together, 2. For example, if you take shoe, children, shoe, will you wear only one shoe or 2 shoe? 2 shoe. If you want to buy socks, 1 socks will you buy or 2 socks will you buy? You will buy 2 socks. 2 socks, those are called pair. So children, we have pair of eyes, pair of hands. Now see children, what can you find on the board? You can find how many balls, children? 6 balls you can find on the board, children. Now see children, these 6 balls can we form into groups of 2? Yes. How many groups we can form? See, 3 groups we can form. 1, 2 and 3. 3 groups we can form, children. Now see this, children. Now how many balls do we have? 7 balls. Okay. Now 7 balls, we can see, we can make groups like this. First group, second group, third group. But see children, 1 ball left over. See, leftover ball. 7th ball is leftover, children. So that is not a pair. So we can form pairs like this, children. Pair means what, children? Group of 2. We have seen 6 balls we can pair. 7th ball we cannot pair. So see children, so this is nothing but another concept for you, that is even numbers and odd numbers, children. So today let us discuss about even numbers and odd numbers. So children, so just we have seen that we formed some groups of pairs, right children? When we formed pairs, there is no leftover balls. So if we form perfect pairs, those are called even numbers, children. So even numbers means what, children? Numbers that can be divided into groups of 2 are called even numbers. An even number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Now next we have seen 7 balls. Did we divide into groups? No. We left over with 1 ball. So that is called odd number, children. So what is meant by odd number? Definition, let us see. Odd numbers means numbers that cannot be divided into groups of 2's. An odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now basing on this, let us sing one song, children. Even numbers and odd numbers. Get ready, children. I will show an animation here. You have to sing song along with me. Numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. All are even. Numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All are odd. Once again, numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. All are even. Numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All are odd. Okay children, so if you practice this song, you can know what is meant by even number, what is meant by odd number, children. Okay, numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in the ones place, those are even numbers. Numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place, odd numbers, children. Okay, now let us look at for some examples of even numbers and odd numbers, children. So children, look here. What do we have here? We have cats. How many cats here? 2 cats. And we are adding 2 cats for this 2 cats. 2 cats and plus 2 cats. How many cats are on that side? Equal to 4 cats are there, children. So 2 cats we are saying, right? 2 cats means what children? Which number? Even number, odd number? Yeah, even number. Next also even number. So when you are adding even number plus even number, which answer you got? Answer 4. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4 children. 4 is which number children? It is also even number. So when we add even number plus even number, our answer will be even number children. Now look at this picture children. What do you have? Elephants. Okay. How many elephants here? 1 elephant. There also 1 elephant. So 1 elephant plus 1 elephant. So 1 is which number children? Odd number. There also 1 means odd number. So 1 plus 1. How many elephants are there children? 2 elephants are there. So number 2. 1 plus 1 equal to what children? 2. So odd number plus odd number equal to 2 means which number children? Even number. So when we add odd number plus odd number, our answer will be even number children. So odd number plus odd number equal to even numbers. Now last picture children. See this? We have monkeys here children. See here this side how many monkeys are there? 2 monkeys are there. So 2 is an even number children. Now there we have 1 monkey children. 1 is an odd number. On that side we have 3 monkeys children. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Which number children? Even number or odd number? It is odd number. So when we add even number plus odd number, we get answer as odd number children. So even number plus odd number equal to odd number. So basing on this concept, let us look for some practice time children. So practice time 1.5. Tick the even numbers and cross the odd numbers children. So a table is given. From this, whatever the even numbers we have to tick and whatever the odd numbers we have to cross out. So you know children, even numbers, odd numbers we have discussed till now. All the digits in the ones place should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Those are even numbers. If in the ones place the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 comes, then it is odd number children. So now let us start children. In the ones place we have digit 2. So it's a even number children. 5. So it's an odd number children. Cross. 1148 children. 8 in the ones place. So 8 is which number children? Even number. So total number will become even. So let us tick this. 7 in the ones place. So 7 is an odd number children. Total number will become odd number. 1693. 3 is a odd number children. So total number becomes odd number. Next 1582. 2 is in the ones place children. So 2 is a even number. So total number is even number children. Okay children. Next 1400. In the ones place, which digit is there children? 0. So 0 means what children? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. It's a even number. Next 1701. 1 in the ones place. So odd number children. Let us cross this. Next 1921. 921. So 1 is in the ones place. Again odd number children. Cross. Last 1506. 6 in the ones place. So even number children. So total number becomes even number. Now last completed children. In this row 1882. 1882 children. In the ones place, which digit is there? 2. So even number. Total number becomes even number. 3 children. 3 is an odd number. So total number becomes odd number. Cross. Next 1794 children. 4 in the ones place. 4 is a even number. So total number becomes even number children. 1831. 1 means what children? Odd number. Total number becomes odd number. 1928. 8 is which number children? Even number. So total number becomes even number. Tick it. 1473. 3 is an odd number children. So total number becomes odd. Cross it. 1929. 9 is in the ones place children. So 9 is an odd number. So total number becomes odd numbers. Cross it. 0 in the ones place 1850. So 0, which number children? Even number. So total number becomes even number. 1463. 3 means what? Odd number. Cross it children. 1792. 2 is in the ones place children. 2 is an even number. So total number becomes even. 2481. 1 is in the which place children? Ones place. So 1 means what children? Odd number. Total number becomes odd. So cross it. 5962. 2 is in the ones place. So 2 is an even number. Total number becomes even number. 4830 children. 0 in the ones place. 0 is an even number. So total number becomes even number. Tick it. Then 7954. 4 is in the ones place children. 4 is an even number. So total number becomes even number. Tick it. Next children, 9999. So in the ones place we have which digit children? 9. 1 3 5 7 9 all are odd. So odd. So odd number children. Cut it. Cross. 7709. 7709. Again 9 in the ones place children. 9 is an odd number. So number is odd. Cross it. 4. 6834. 4 is an even number. So total number is an even number. 4956 children. 56. So 6 is an even number. Tick it children. 7804. Again 4 children in the ones place. 4 is an even number. And last 8809 children. 9 is in the ones place. 9 is which number children? Odd number. So that means cross out. Okay children. In this way we have ticked even numbers and we have crossed out odd numbers children. Let us go for the next bit children. So children, second bit, fill in the blanks. We have few questions basing on this even number, odd numbers. So what is our first question? A question children. Even number plus dash equal to even number. So even number, if you add which number, you will get as even number. Simple example children, let us take 2. 2 plus, see 2 fingers plus how many fingers will give us even number fingers? Even means what children? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Let us think answer as 4 children. Okay. If I say 4, 2 fingers are there here. I have added how many fingers I don't know, but I'll get answer as 4. We know because 4 is an even number. So 4. So 4 is an even number. How many numbers I have added children? Means 2 fingers I have added. 2 is which number children? It's an even number. So even number plus even number equal to even number. Next question children. Odd number. Now see children, I am saying odd number. 1 pen I have. Okay children. 1 pen I have. 1 is which number? Odd number. Okay children. Our result should be also odd number. So 1 after next odd number is what children? 3. So how many pens I have now? I have 3 pens. I have 3 pens, yes or no? So 3 is an odd number. For odd number, which number I have added to become odd number again? 2 I have added. 2 is which number children? Even number. So odd number plus even number equal to odd number. Okay children. Now see children. Last. So children, I have 3 pens here. Which pens do you know? Color pens. Okay children, glitter pens, you call it as glitter pens. 3 is an odd number. So for odd number we have to add something and we have to get even number children. So you know 3 is an odd number. So we want next even number. 3 after what children? 4. 4 is which number children? 4 is an even number. So I'll make this pens as 4. 3 pens I made as 4 pens because we want answer as even numbers. Now see how many pens I have? 4 pens. 4 is an even number children. So For odd number, which number I have added to become even number, children? 1 pen I added means what is 1, children? 1 is also a odd number. So odd number plus odd number gives us even number, children. Okay. Now let us go for third bit, children. So children, third bit, write even numbers from 1950 to 1970, children. So from means what, children? We have to start this also, include this also, from. So this also let us include, because 0 means what, children? An even number. So I will start like this, 1950, children. Okay. 50 after number is 51, but in the ones place it is 1. It's a odd number. So go for 2, children. That means 1952. Even number. Next to even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So in the ones place you should be 4, children. So tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, I am writing as it is, 1954. Next, children, 6, 8, 0. So 6 here, 1956. Next, 1958. See, children, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. We want 0, but if we keep 0, it becomes 50. Not like that. So we have to revise here. Skip count of 2, children. See, skip count of 2 is same like skip count of 2 only. Next, we have to skip 2 numbers. 54 means what? 55, 56. 56 after 57, 58. 2 numbers. Now 58 after 59, 60. So like this, 1960, children. Okay, 60 completed. Next even number means skip count of 2. 62. So 1962, children. Then 1964, skip count of 2. 64 after 65, 66. So 1966, children. 66 completed. 67, 68. So 1968. Next, shall we write this 70, children? From 2, it is included, not in between. 2 means we can stop there. So 1970. So these are the even numbers from 1950 to 1970, children. If the question is between in these numbers means not these numbers. In between numbers we have to write, children. Okay. Now go for last bit, fourth bit. So fourth bit, children, write odd numbers from 2500 to 2520. Again the question is from and to. This is not between. From means we can start here. But see, children, odd numbers. In the ones place 0. 0 is which number, children? Even number. So we should not include this, even though it is from. But 0 is there in the ones place. So 0 means what, children? It is even number. So next number let us go. It's what? 1. It will be 1, children. So remaining all tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, same as it is. 2501, children. So 2501. Okay, children. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It's our order. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For easy identification, write like this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, children. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. By looking this, we can easily form the numbers. So 1 completed. Next, in the same number, we have to change the ones place as 3. 2503, children. Next, 5. So 2505. Next, 7, children. 2507. 7 after which digit, children? 9. So 2509. That's okay, children. If it is completed again, back 13579. 13579. But see, children, 9 after, if we keep 1 here, 2501 it becomes. Again same number comes. So we are going for the next number. Forward number means what? If you check 1, 2 skipped and 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Again here also we are counting in the form of skip count of 2, children. So skip count of 2 here. 9 after 10, 11. So 2511. Now check, children. In the ones place we have 1. Now we can go 1, 3, 5, 7, and again this places same. 2500 same, and in the ones place 3. So 2513. Next 5 children, so 2515. Next 7 children, so 2517. Next 2519 children. Okay, we cannot go further. 2521 will come, but up to 20, below 20 only we can write children. So this is how we form even numbers as well as odd numbers children. Once again let us revise all the rules of even numbers and odd numbers children. Okay, what is meant by even number children? If we form in the form of groups of 2, if any number is divided in the groups of 2, then it is called even number children. Okay, now what is meant by odd number children? If any number is cannot be divided in the groups of 2 is called odd number children. Okay, and we have seen how to form even numbers, odd numbers, and even number examples children. See even numbers in the units ones place we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Odd numbers children, in the ones place we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay children, and even number plus even number gives us what children? Even number only. Next, odd number plus odd number gives us what children? Even number. Now one even number plus odd number gives us what children? It's odd number. Okay children, practice well this again, revise all the concept. Have a great day.